Here's my solution. I messed around with a little bit with like x's in these different places and different variables, and then I realized the total of this ratio is 5, the total of this ratio is 3, and this is out of 1 out of 4. So the overall number, the total frequency, has got to be a multiple of these things here, 5, 3, and 4. So if you multiply those together, you get 60. The overall frequency must be a multiple of 60 because it needs to be divisible by 5, 3, and 4. So then I called this 60x. And if that's 60x, we know that the red circles is a quarter, so that's 15x. And then we can use this information here, that the ratio of circles to squares is 1 to 2. So if one part is circles, there are 3 parts in total. So we can add the total circles together and times that by 3, and that should be equal to the overall total. So 15x plus 25, that's just the circles. Multiply that by 3, because there's 3 parts here. That should be equal to the overall total, which is 60x. You can then solve that. And then once you've got that x equals 5, I think the rest of it becomes fairly straightforward. So that's 75. So we've used what information? Oh, red to blue is 3 to 2. So divide that by 5, you get 60. So then, 50. 50 times by, oh no, sorry, 60. 60 times by 3 is 180. Times by 2 is 120. There's 25 there, so that's got to be 95. There's 75 there, so that's got to be 105. And if you wanted, I guess you could check that the, oh, sorry, we've not answered the final question. Blue squares, so blue squares, 95 out of 300, which you could then simplify to 19 over 60. That's the final answer.